everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to log in your purchase TikTok account. So after you are done with the purchase, you'll be given your login details for you to copy. And then once you are done copying your login details, I want you to open your notebook app and then paste in the details. And then once you are pasted in the details, you should go ahead to the first part of the details, and then right after the last ending of the first digit, you have to separate that, which will give you your account username, and then the second part, which is your account password, you have to separate that too, and then the third, which is your email, delete that divider and then separate at the second divider, so that's your email. And then the fourth is your email password, so let's separate this one also and then delete this divider over here. So now once you are done with separation of everything, you can go ahead and then clear everything else over here and then proceed on with the rest. So we are going to be logging in the email first, so you have to go ahead and then go to the email website, which is outlook.com. Sorry, let me go ahead and then sign in into a different account over here. Okay, so once you get on this page, go back to your notebook and then copy the email, copy the full email address, then head back to the Outlook website and then paste it, or the Microsoft website, and then click on next. So on the next page, they are asking us for the account password. You have to head back to the notebook again and then copy the account password over here. Copy that, head back to the website again and then paste that in over here and then click on next. So once you are done with that, they are going to ask you to add a recovery email to protect your account, which you can go ahead and then add, or you can go ahead and then choose to add your phone number to the email. But I'm going to be using my email, so I'm going to be typing in my email and then click on next. So let's wait for the verification code sent to our email, and then we use that to verify the account and then be able to log in successfully. So let's switch this email over here to my main email and then do a refresh. Okay, so once you get the email, open it and then copy the code provided in it. You copy this code, then you head back to the website again and then paste in the code and then click on next. So once you are done with all that, you are going to be asked to set your passkey. So click on continue. Okay, so let's just cancel that for now and then click on yes to stay signed in. And then once you are done with all that, your email have been successfully logged in over here. So once you are done with that, I want you to head back to your notepad again, or your notebook, and then copy your TikTok username. Then head over to the TikTok app. And then once you are inside your TikTok app, go to the profile section. And then on the profile section, click on this drop down arrow over here. And then click on add account. And then from there, click on login. and then select use phone, email, or username, and then switch over from phone to email or username, and then paste in your username and click continue. So let's go back and then copy the account password, which is the second one over here. Please make sure to follow everything that I'm doing exactly so that you won't make any mistake whilst you are also doing it. So you paste in the password over here and then you click on continue. So let's select our email, click on next to receive a verification code to it, and then use to verify our login. So you can see over here the verification code have been sent. So you scroll down and then copy that. Then you go back to your TikTok account again, and then you paste in the code. Okay, guess I have to type in this manually. So once you are done typing in, it will automatically verify the code if it is correct, and then you will get logged in into your account automatically. So that is pretty much it. Very simple to do. It's not that really difficult if you follow the full tutorial or everything that I've done in this video. So thanks for watching the video again. If you face any kind of issues, don't hesitate to reach out, and then I'll be able to help you figure out everything. Thanks for watching again. Have a nice day. Peace.